Good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly reset. This week is actually Thanksgiving. I'm in charge of the mac and cheese, the ham, the pecan pie, and green bean casserole. I was just kind of doing a little straightening up right now after the gym, then I'll really come back and clean. First, we make some food. I got the steel cut better oats. These are like 130 calorie pack. Apple cinnamon. I like these, they're quick, they're easy. This packet has like a water line. So after you dump it, you just fill the water up to there. Then I got my hair done, obviously. This will be in a vlog, but this video is gonna come out before that vlog comes out. I got so many videos that I have to post this month, and they're all gonna kind of be out of order, just because I have like obligations I gotta get up first, like videos that need to go first before the other ones. Just have one hard-boiled egg. I'm not super hungry this morning. That is a perfect egg, look at that. Bone broth, apple cinnamon oats, hard-boiled egg. This one I'm gonna have, and then we're gonna get dressed and go to the gym. Wait. Can we talk about my books? I asked Ron, I was like, babe, you wanna buy me some books? Like all the Black Friday sales and things are going up. Look at how many books he bought me. Like, are you kidding me? It's like 36 books. I got a couple pre-packaged series. Crazy. My earring. I found it. It's just falling in my phone. Pretty cute and have my little curls out. No, that's gonna be annoying in the gym. Let's just go ahead and put it up. I have indeed been a pre-workout girly. I've gotten back into it, and I don't take it every day. I just take it on the days where I need some extra energy, and I feel like my workout's not gonna be great, or I don't feel like I'm gonna push myself. Because you also wanna like limit your caffeine intake with PCOS. So not too much, you know? A little bit, but not too much. Using one of Tron's old pre-workout with like a company he used to be with. I'm not gonna recommend this one yet because there's another one that I wanna take from a different brand that I ordered. I'm just waiting for it to come in. So I'll let you know when I get it. I literally stopped taking pre-workout 6-7 years ago. And then you guys know I would drink, if you don't know, I was like Celsius. I had Celsius for like a couple years, but still with Celsius, I only had like maybe like 3 times a week. But since I haven't been with Celsius anymore, I haven't had like any caffeine outside of like a Diet Dr. Pepper or a Diet Coke. But we're back on it. And I'm enjoying it, okay? I'm enjoying it. Let's go to the gym. All right, we're nice and clean. Let's do some skincare. Actually, let's get into a little skincare ASMR. right, done with that. So even though these clips are gonna be back to back and me putting on my skincare, you know, for the ASMR moment, I do take breaks in between each product. That way it can kind of soak in my skin. So I literally put it on and I walk away and I come back and do the next product. So let it soak into your skin. Time to make this bed. This is my favorite part of the reset. I love making my bed. Okay, I love fresh sheets. Getting fresh sheets at the end of the night after a clean apartment. But of course, while I make this bed, we have to thank today's sponsor. Thank you so much, Bare Mattress, for sponsoring today's video. This is a Bare Mattress stan account, okay? We stan Bare Mattress. Even though they pay me, we still stan Bare Mattress. Most of you by now are super familiar with Bare Mattress, but for those of you who are new here, Bare Mattress is a mattress company. They produce premium quality mattresses intended to improve the overall quality of your sleep. And they are currently running their Black Friday sale, offering 35% off plus $400 worth of sleep accessories for free with your mattress purchase. Bare is all about matching the best mattress for each of their customers. We all have different sleep preferences, therefore different mattress needs. And determining the best mattress for you is very simple. You can head right over to their website where you can take a quick quiz. With this quiz, you'll be asked about those sleep preferences alongside questions like your age, weight, and whether or not you sleep alone. Delivery is super convenient with your mattress being delivered right to your front door. It comes compressed and tightly packaged in a cardboard box and is very easy to pop open and set up. Bare has sleep recovery technology with 3 premium foams that helps keep you cool and promotes muscle recovery. Those are 2 really important factors for Teron and myself, considering we run extremely hot in our sleep and we live very active lifestyles. I mean, we are fitness influencers, so we're always looking for better ways to take care of our bodies. We have 2 different mattresses in our home that we've tested, the Elite Hybrid in medium and also in firm. The medium ended up being perfect, giving us that perfect balance of comfort and support. Now, if you buy a mattress from Bare, you get a 120-night sleep trial, and they offer a lifetime warranty, plus the shipping is free with free returns. So again, like I mentioned, the Black Friday sale is currently going on with Bare Mattress. So for a limited time, you can get 35% off. I will include the link down below in the description box. So in case you don't catch the Black Friday sale, you can always use my code, which will get you 30% off. But jump on the Black Friday sale, okay? And get you a mattress. It's cozy. And y'all see how cozy my bed is, okay? Thank you again, Bare Mattress, for sponsoring today's video. And let's keep it going. All right, quick intermission. I just got a couple things from the grocery store. This is not, I have a grocery pickup that I'm gonna do later, but I'm gonna go see my girlfriend. She's just having a hard time. She just had a baby, and yeah, so I'm gonna make her and her boyfriend some dinner, and I'm gonna just go drop that off. So we're just gonna pause the reset real quick. I'm just cooking up some beef and broccoli, and I'm gonna go drop it off, and I'm gonna go see the baby. But while I was out, I just picked me and Tron up some Chipotle because I ain't got our groceries yet. So I'll prep our groceries later. I'll put the recipe down in the description box if you want it. I make it all the time. This is like one of our main rotations, okay? We have beef and broccoli every week, honestly. All right, the beef and broccoli is done. That literally takes 20 minutes, maybe 25 max from start to finish. That's cutting up everything and yeah, prepping it. I also got some frozen rice in the freezer that I'm gonna bring to her as well so they can just pop it in the microwave and then just eat beef and broccoli. So now I'm just gonna get ready to go and let the food cool down a little bit before I cover it. And then we're gonna head over. I'm back and quite some time has passed actually. It's pretty late and I ended up staying with my friend for some hours. I was there much longer. I was gonna pop in because she just wasn't feeling great and just kind of feeling a little sad and a little down. So I was just gonna pop in, drop her off some dinner and then leave, but we started talking and I feel like she needed that. So I hung out for way longer, which means this reset is gonna be a 2-day thing. I'm going to just kind of straighten up my bathroom and just put things away. And then tomorrow I'll actually wipe down, clean down everything like the shower, do the floor, do the counters, same with the kitchen. The grocery pickup, I wasn't able to pick up the groceries, so I'll pick that up tomorrow. All right, let's tackle the bathroom. It's the next day. I'm gonna put this hair up just because it's just getting in my way. It's actually later in the afternoon, but I've been working. Let me continue on with this reset. Tron actually, he already like cleaned the rest of the kitchen, so I don't need to do that. All I need to do is finish up laundry, clean my bathroom, go pick up the groceries, because I still have not done that. I think I'm also gonna do my nails, I think. I have Gel X on, and I wanna put on just like a rubber base. I don't want any fake nails. I'm gonna go back to the natural. Finally got groceries. Let me just quickly take you through them. Eggs. I got some flank because beef and broccoli, of course. Broccoli. I always get a bowl of fruits. I love the strawberry, grapes, pineapple, and watermelon mix. Chicken broth, oyster sauce, garlic. Got a couple apples. I got some pickles. And some cheese, some Gouda, some more oatmeal. This one is the maple and brown sugar one. Got some more cornstarch, onion powder, pepper, and then cherry tart juice. I make a little cocktail, which I'll show you later. It's so good, which I got poppies in here. I saw it on TikTok. It's like a sleepy time mocktail. And when I tell you, it really does. Like I go to sleep. Frozen rice, of course. So many HEBs in Texas, but I've only found one that has the frozen rice, which helps so I don't have to stop at Trader Joe's. And then we got some bacon. And that is what my order is. I end up separating my Thanksgiving grocery pickup from this one. So this is just adding on a few things so we can eat for the next couple days, and then tomorrow I'll go pick up all the food for Thanksgiving. I'm so tired, but I got my sleepy time mocktail. It's so good. And then I also took a magnesium, but if you have the magnesium powder, you can just pop it right in there. And then of course I got my beef and broccoli. I'm just gonna start winding it down. I'll watch a little YouTube right now, and then I'm going to read the next book in the Throne of Glass series, Crown of Midnight, until I'm fall asleep. Thank you again, Bear Mattress, for sponsoring today's video. Again, check the description box for all detail for the Black Friday sale. Thank you if you made it all the way to the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.